Hello and welcome to Career on Cars. Today the Subaru Impreza GC8 is being mapped on the dyno by Duncan Graham from Racedynamix. Duncan has been mapping Subarus week in week out for around 20 years and is the best in the business. So this Impreza has a standard EJ20K engine with a larger K&N air filter, an uprated Fastline VF400 turbo, a 3-inch decap exhaust system, a larger top mount intercooler, parallel fuel lines with a fuel pressure regulator, and a top feed fuel rail conversion kit with 750cc injectors. A strong start towards the 400 brake horsepower per tonne. Duncan making some fuel and air adjustments, just checking in that he's not watching Netflix. A few more engine timing and boost tweaks were needed for the map, but before that Duncan was able to add some anti-lag and launch control after some head scratching. It was so loud, people had to take a step back. Things were going backwards and getting worse. With the top mount intercooler soaking in too much heat, Duncan's disappointed face said it all. I need a front mounted intercooler to keep those intake air temps down and get me to that 400 brake horsepower mark. Time to try another day.